Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about smart assistant. How does it work? What are the main uses of it? All this stuff we are going to talk about. Smart assistant, like in your phone you can see that there is a smart option, or can use it as Google Assistant, where you can speak it out and it helps to search out that particular thing that you have to speak it out. That's one of the example of smart assistant, like Amazon Alexa is one of the example. All that stuff, you can notice that even there is a technology field, or new field in field of technology, Google replicate it very fast down. Like Amazon Alexa introduced it. Amazon introduced Alexa as an smart assistant. Google Assistant. Google also introduced Google Assistant in less than a year. Well, they replicate thing very quickly. That's one of the, they have a quite big team. That's a good case. Also, it's in a kind of monopoly, but or what can we say? They are acquiring ideas or implementing. They have a big resources in the field of technology. Like everyone use mails or field or something like that. They have a quite big resource or data of user. People use daily use Google searches or some kind of, like their services in every kind of field. Like they have a quite integration, quite acquiring capacity of data in the various field, in various field. And what, and they have a quite lots of user in, they have acquired lots of user to use their product. That's why I think they have an quite edge in every technology. Like someone introduce one technology, they going to replicate it in every case of it. You can say it like in a Google Pay. Google Pay is not in a quite Google Pay is not quite what Google Pay is not a new technology. It was an introduced by some other technology, but Google replicated it in less than small period of time. Like recently, technology called generative AI, that developed by chatbot developed by OpenAI, but Google replicated more than less than, not more than, less than 4 months of bro. If you have that capacity, why are done to have introduced it earlier? You just replicate or clone out some other project, and as of your name, and based on your user data, or can say, what can say, based on your user data, or you have a lots of user, you force them to use that process product, either through replicated or introducing new feature in that. That's why I'm saying Google is far ahead in form of technology usage. It's going to be replicate even in future. There is going to be new technology. Google also going to replicate it in less than some amount period of time. It's in a kind of a monopoly. Like big rock is in field of big rock. It's in a big rock or black rock. Black rock in field of finance in the field of BlackRock is giant in finance term, like asset holder, or in some, Google is in field of technology. It's going to replicate or clone out everything that is possible in field of technology in less than period of time. If it's their original idea, they will far ahead, they will be far ahead. If their own technology idea, they will automatically fire ahead all of us. But if it's not their own idea, then also they are going to be far ahead due to their large data users, due to their large user data users, or can we say, what can we say, or introducing new feature based on their user data. That's why I want to say that Google is far ahead of using technology or implementing teacher. That's all. It's not about Google. How does it, going to be? It's about the smart assistant. But got and click an idea. How does they replicate every idea in field of technology? So now back to the video. Now back to the video. So if you don't like about that, sorry for that. I just got an idea. I just speak it out. Now I'm back with my own shopping. That's we are going to discuss in this video. Smart assistant. How does it work? Smart assistant, also known as a virtual assistant or voice activated assistant or AI powered software application designed to perform task and provide information in response to user command or question. They can be found in various devices including smartphone, smart speaker, and even some home appliances. Okay. A smart assistant, also known as virtual assistant or voice activated assistant, are AI powered software application designed to perform tasks and provide information in response to user command or questions. They can found in a various devices including smartphone, smart speakers, and even some home appliances. That's it for definition. I think you get to know what does it saying. Like AI is a smart assistant that can replicate or give you not why I'm using replicate so much of time. That will go. That will give you. That will give you response in form of voice. You will ask question in form of voice instead of writing it out, and and it and that smart assistant will going to response in form of that, or either searching it out on web browsers, and it will give you a response in of that. Do you get it what I want to say? They can be found in various, yeah, they can be include. I think smart assistant are using everywhere in the, from vehicles to home assistant, home speaker, all all over the field it is using it. I got bumble out sometime. Bumble out, what does it mean? I don't. Just keep moving, you will master it after some time. It's not about quality, it's about quantity. I'm just doing it. It's about time. It's about time. When you will get time for lots of time, it automatically become your skill. What you are not giving, you are focusing on quality. You want to improve you want to be you want to become a perfectionist, and then you are not going to be what, and you are not going to learn any technology in your future. You have a skill to learn new skill over a time, but you have to give time, and you have an patience in order to learn that. That's why I'm saying you got it right. So what's on the first point? What is the voice recognition and natural language processing? Voice recognition, smart assistant use automatic speech recognition technology to convert spoken language into text, allowing them to understand and process user voice command. Natural language processing, an NLP algorithm enable a smart assistant to interpret and understand the meaning of spoken or type language, make it possible respond intelligently to queries and carry it out tasks. That's why earlier I was saying that about that. Example of a smart assistant: Amazon Alexa. Alexa is voice control assistant developed by Amazon, used in devices like Echo Speaker. Google Assistant in Google AI driven assistant. Let's wait a second, bro. Just wait a second. I need to resume something that I am downloading from morning itself. Due to its low speed, I'm not able to download it. It's 160 kbps. File is 2 gbps. It's almost about 3 hours has been downloaded, but due to the network or some interruption, it got paused down. I need to resume it after some time. So I was take pause in this video. It's an easy way. If you keep practicing it, it become a natural language to speak it out. Sorry for that loud voice. I'm just enjoying this process, bro. I don't care about the views or something. Well, there is not good out. There is not quite good outside. Quite. I'm using quite like and quite most often time. I don't want to use it. and I think 172 videos after when I will complete 200 videos. I'm going to speak it out my own without my own. I'm also using my own, but not using this article. But going to read it out that article and going to write on my own words that article and going to speak it out in form of that. You get it? Yeah. Like Amazon Google Assistant, Amazon's Microsoft Cursor. Feature and function: information retrieval. Google Smart Assistant can answer question, provide weather update, or fun news summaries, perform web searches, task automation. They can perform tasks like setting reminders, sending messages, making phone calls, and controlling smart home devices. Entertainment: Smart Assistant can play music, audiobook, podcast, and even tell jokes and stories. Navigation: they can provide direction, estimate travel time, and help you location based queries. Smart home integration: Smart Assistant can control a wide range of home devices, including lights, thermostats, locks, and appliances through voice command in smart ops. Integration and perform like Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant actions allows developer to create to create what the perform like setting, running environment, making phone call, controlling smart devices. Smart home can play music. Yeah. Allow developer to create custom voice control application for smart assistant. Privacy and data security. Smart assistant raise concern about user privacy due to constant listening required. That's one of the voice. That's one of the ways better. Hey Google, if you speak it out in a switch off phone. Hey Google, it's so visible on a screen. Smart Assistant raises concern about user privacy due to constant listening required for voice activation. Voice data is often stored, but companies have implemented privacy features to address these concerns. User can manage delete their voice data through privacy setting. Okay. Multilingual support, evolving capabilities, challenges, future trend. All these things are also given out here. Now I am back with the questions that we are going to read about. That's the most fun part in each video on my own. For me itself. For me at least. Not itself. For me at least. How does smart assistant like Alexa or Google Assistant handle user data? What privacy measures have been implemented to protect user information? Smart Assistant collect and store user data to improve their performances, personalize responses, privacy measure including encryption, store data, user control over data deletion, anonymization of user identified to protect privacy. Can you explain the underlying technology that enable smart assistant to good question, natural language understanding and carry out complex tasks based on their human command? Smart assistant use natural language processing, machine learning, and deep neural network to understand user and process and generate appropriate responses. Syntax, semantics, context tool. What are the challenges and consideration of developing custom voice control application like Alexa, Google Assistant Action for smart assistant tech, especially in terms of design and user experience? Developing voice control application involve consider like designing conversational user interfaces, handling error messages gracefully, optimizing for voice first use experience, balancing simplicity with functionality and crucial. How does it is storm? It's weather is not quite good in my area. I need to stop this video at some otherwise power will go off and I need to record it again. Can you discuss the concept of event computing and how a smart assistant contribute the creating a seamless interconnected digital environment in homes? What the challenge do smart assistant? Yeah, we have already covered this question. How does our business delivering smart device in customer service and improving the experience? What are the it's like chat job what we can use? What are the emerging trend in the form assistant technology? Such as integrating emotional intelligence, improving multilingual understanding, how do might be there are trend impact the interaction. I think that's it for the video. We'll hardly recover almost all question of this video. We'll see you next time. I got interrupted due to light problem. That's why I'm recording this video again. I'm going to merge down with previous video. I think there is a 40 minute 30 second has completed in that video. Going to merge down with it. I'm going to 15 minute. I'm going to complete 15 minutes in this video. That's it for the video. We'll see you next time. Till then, keep hustling, bro. Nobody is going to help us out. They can provide you environment, but all hustle is key. All the hustle has to be put it your you on why. That's why I'm saying keep hustling till then. See you again. See you again.